What is going on, guys, and welcome to another unboxing here on my channel. This time I wanna have a first impressions of the Seenda keyboard and mouse combo, and I would say let's get right into it. The packaging looks clean, not bad, looks like good quality. I mean, it's not like an Apple product or something. It's pretty basic, but still not bad. I think it's pronounced Seenda or something like that. It comes from China, but you can get it on Amazon. The links will be in the description to it. I bought this because I like these flat keyboard layouts like the Apple keyboard, and also the mouse looked on the images really flat, so it looked nice, but I needed a set for my Windows PC. And yeah, let's have a look what's inside this box. So open this here. Okay, so we have a keyboard cover. This is something nice. I don't think you get that often. Let's put this aside. And we have the keyboard itself. Let's put this aside for a second. And yeah, packaging is not that nice though. We got a USB cable for charging, and we got the mouse. Let's put this aside. Yeah, the mouse looks pretty nice, decent mouse I would say. This is the Bluetooth receiver. It's magnetic actually, so it sits in there nice, and yeah, you can't lose it that easy, I guess. So yeah, let's put this aside as well. Let's see if it has battery, or yeah, actually it's working. Don't know if you can see that. Yeah, but you should be able to see it, that it's blinking. Yeah, let's put the mouse here for a second, and let's see the keyboard. Yeah. Underneath the keyboard you see we have a user manual and 15% off plus free shipping from hiseenda.com. Not a bad thing, I guess. Let's put this aside and let's have a look at the keyboard itself. Put the mouse aside as well. So yeah, the keyboard looks solid. Nice pressure to it, I would say. For those who are wondering, this is a German keyboard layout. So just if you wonder, the links in the description will have your actual language. If you're from the US or from the UK or from Germany, you will get the right keyboard layout in the links. But yeah, makes a solid first impression, and I will try this now on my PC, and if it's not a good product, I will give you an update on it, and if there's no update video in the following days, then this should be a pretty solid product, and I will also update the comments and let you know how it types and how it feels. But I guess for the price you can't go too wrong, because it's quite cheap and it makes a solid impression. It lies really nice, and actually it runs on battery, so you can charge it. You don't have to buy batteries or something like that. And I don't know, you can see this good here in the video. It's really slim. It's really slim. And also the mouse is really flat. You can see it like this. So you have the wheel, you have the buttons, of course. The mouse feels not that great, I have to say. It feels really plasticky. If you're used to an Apple mouse or something like that with the glass surface, is way better. But yeah, it will do the job for my streaming PC, I guess. And yeah, so there they are, the keyboard and the mouse of Seenda. As I said, links are in the description. And for now, thanks everyone for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you like this video and if you want to see more videos like this. And see you on the next video, guys.